Hi, English with Ali sir. So what's the difference between the usage of do and does? So how to use do, how to use does. So most of the students get confused. For example, if they use do, so they add s to the verbs. At the same time, if they use does, they again add s to the verbs. So how to differentiate this thing, how to tackle this problem? What you have to do, first you have to know one thing: what's the difference between do and does, and what is the same thing in do and does. Do and does are used in present simple, what you can call also present indefinite or present simple. And in both cases, present simple is used for facts, for general purposes, daily routines, and universal truths. So what is the difference between the usage of do and does actually? First, we have to categorize the things. We have to categorize, for example, let's take he, she, it, and one person singular. Then you have to use does. And in contrast to that, in comparison to that, if we go for do, you have to make one more category: I, we, you, they, and plural. For example, kids, children, people. So you have to use do there. So for he, she, it, and one person, you have to use does. For I, we, you, they, you have to use do. So let's take some examples. Do you like me? Do you go there? Do you have house? Do you know me? Do you know him? Do you like shopping? Do you like blue color? Do you like black color? Do you like red color? Do you visit there? Like that. Do I like horse riding? Do they go there often? Often can be pronunciated as often also. So like this. Let's go to does. Does she like, not likes? Because that s has been added to do actually. That do has become does. So when we say in simple, he likes shopping. So what should be the interrogative for this? So there s has been added to the verb. So for he, she, it, and one person, Ali likes shopping. He likes shopping. They like shopping. Now find out the difference. So in simple, you don't have to add s to the verb in I, we, you, they. There you have to cut s, and for interrogative and negative sentences you have to use do. In contrast to that, when we go to the next group, that is he, she, it, you have to use s. You have to add s. For example, Ali writes a novel. Ali likes shopping. He likes shopping. She likes shopping. It rains. Not it ran. It rains. So like this, you have to add s to the verb when it goes to he, she, it, and one person. So again, when you make negative and interrogative to these, for does especially, you have to take more care. You have to be more careful and more cautious about this thing. You have to use does. So when you use does, do becomes does because of this s adding to the verbs. So you have to like this. You have to use like this. For example, Ali likes shopping. So what should be the interrogative? Does Ali like shopping? Does he like shopping? Does she like shopping? Does it rain? Not does it rains. That is incorrect. Does it rain? So you have to practice these things, and in upcoming video I'm going to share the usage of has, have, and had. Thank you for watching me. Thank you.